Hey guys, it's MJ with Love. Welcome to my channel, and today's video is a bit different. I'm showing you how I unwind and pamper myself and relax. So I'm gonna try press on nails for the very first time today. So this is definitely a try and error, but if you're interested in learning with me or you just want to watch a relaxing video, then please stick around. Okay, so this is everything I'm gonna use. Just going through this quickly, then I'm gonna show you how I use each one of them. Let me fix the lighting here. Okay, first I'm gonna start by exfoliating my hands and cleaning them, making sure they're clean. I'm using this blackberry and thyme exfoliating hand scrub just to scrub and get rid of all dirt and everything. Yeah, I'm gonna put some more of that. Let me first go and wash this off. Moisturize my hands because they feel kind of dry. Yeah, feel good, they feel moisturized. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the polish remover and rub my nails. This is the part where I was supposed to use the rubbing alcohol, but since I do not have that, the polish remover will do. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna start dealing with the cuticles. Get rid of all these cuticles that are on the sides and clean up everything.
Vito, baby. Feelings, I can't lie, I remember feelings. Because you're so perfect and you're honest, promise. See, you've been working, I acknowledge. You gon' make me pull up on your father in the coupe, yeah, yeah. Make a move, if it's cool, marry you, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I'm done with that part. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and push these cuticles all the way back, like far back, because apparently this is gonna make the press on nails look more natural. God, I hope this is not painful. Okay. Okay, so that's done. Now let's trim these nails. Okay, this is good. This is a good size. Let me just clean up this mess real quick, then I'm gonna get back to it. let's open this baby up. Let's do this. Okay, let's do this. Let's do it. Not so bad, the first nail. Okay, let's get into the... Hey you guys, I'm done. Finally, it's 2 hours later. But I am pleased. Look at my nails, guys. Wow. But they are definitely too long for my liking. Like, they're just too long for my liking. But let's see how long they're gonna last. But I'm so far I'm loving them. I just love them. Look at this. Look, just look at them. Wow. These are dope, guys. I don't know how I'm gonna keep up with this, but I'm happy with how they look. I'm happy with everything, with how they turned out. I just hope they last. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Look at me flexing on my nails, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. And thank you so much. I'll see you back here in my next video. Bye bye.